An owner rented his Cybertruck on Turo, but the renter pulverized the truck in a bizarre crash. It wasn't just any typical fender bender, though. This one was apparently intentional. According to the truck's owner, the person who rented it happened to come across a porch pirate fleeing from their home. So naturally, they did the most non-insane thing that any normal person would do. They rammed the suspected thief's getaway car, a Genesis G80, into a tree using the rented Cybertruck as a battering ram. As per reports, the renter's neighborhood was experiencing burglaries during the week before the incident. This may have sparked a momentary spurt of vigilante justice from the renter, which, combined with the nearly £7,000 truck, gave some courage to subdue the presumed porch pirate.